What you're looking at here is the Destroyit 2604 crosscut paper shredder. This particular shredder is designed for office use. It's extremely robust, very powerful, great for continuous duty shredding. It's got several features built in for safety to keep your fingers from getting caught inside. It has a load indicator here that will actually light up and tell you how hard the motor is being worked. One thing I really like is it has an automatic oiler. The oil bottle just sits on the side of the shredder, and that helps to keep the blades lubricated, which helps to prevent premature wear and tear. Turning the shredder on is really easy. You just hit the power button here, lights up green to let you know that it's ready to go. If for any reason you need to back the paper back out, there's a reverse button on here. Once the shredder's on, there are actually a series of indicator lights here that will let you know when the door's open, when a jam's occurred. As far as operating a shredder is concerned, this is probably one of the easiest ones out there, probably one of the best quality. This is actually made in Germany, German designed, German engineered. About a 10-inch width right here to stick your paper inside. And once it's done, I'm going to just open up the bin here. You can see crosscut particle, very, very secure. In this case, we've got a bin in here, very easy to remove, very easy to empty. Once you're ready to start shredding again, just shut the door. You're ready to start shredding paper.